Hello student, let's see a problem student asked by my student only. What they are saying: assign the oxidation number of underlying elements in each of the following species. So first one is NaH2PO4 is there, right? And here if you are representing, this is NaH2, this is PO4, and they are asking the oxidation number of this element. So this is going to be what student? X. Hydrogen with the phosphorus is not metal, so it is going to be +1. Since two oxygen are there, so multiply by 2. Sodium is how much is there, student? +1. Since it belongs to group number 1, and also it is having only one valence electron, so it is going to have the +1. And oxygen, there is 4 oxygen are there, and each oxygen -2 equal to, this is going to be 0. So now what you will go get is, student, here let us solve. +1 +2 plus x minus 4 to the 8 equal to 0. So x is equal to, send it that side. So this is +8 -2 -1. So x is equal to +8 -3. X is equal to going to be +5. So this was very simple. Here the phosphorus is obvious. It is the valency is going to be +5. Now we are having one more, student. What is there? Here is the NaHSO4. This is there. And sulfur we are supposed to get. This is the oxygen is sulfur is, let us consider to be the X, and hydrogen is going to be how much, student? This is going to be +1. With the sulfur it is considered to be +1. And if you are talking about sodium, it is again going to be +1 only, student. Now here is oxygen is 4 oxygen, and each oxygen is -2 equal to 0. So here is +1 it is going to be +2 plus x -4 to the 8 equal to 0. So x is equal to, this will go that side, that is going to be +8 -2. So x is equal to, this is going to be +6. So this is, here we are going to get, student, sulfur is +6. Okay. Now another we are having, what is there, student? H4, this is P2O7. So this is there. Now phosphorus we are supposed to say, student, its oxidation state is 2x. Since it is 2 phosphorus, so we are considered to be 2x. And if you see the hydrogen, so with the non-metal it is going to be +1. Since 4 hydrogen is going to multiply by 4, student, right? Now the oxygen, you see, student, oxygen is going to be 7 oxygen are there. So 7, and each oxygen -2 equal to 0. So +4 plus 2x -14 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to +14 -4. So 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to +10 by 2. So x is equal to going to be +5. So obvious hai, this is the phosphorus is going to be +5. So wherever phosphorus is there, student, that is we are getting +5. Now K2MnO4, we are going to move for the D. K2MnO4. So we are talking about Mn we are considered to be X. Potassium, student, group 1 element, and also it is having +1, that is 1 valence electron. So oxidation number is +1, multiply by 2. Here is 4 oxygen are there, each oxygen -2 equal to 0. So if you are solving, here going to be +2 plus x -8 equal to 0. So x is equal to, this will go that side, this is going to be +8 -2. So x is equal to +6. So Mn here we are getting, dear student, +6. This is +6. Now CaO2, this is the interesting one. CaO2. Now this structure, if you see, student, you need to draw the structure of this one. This is O, here is O, this is. Now in the peroxide, this is peroxide ligand, this is -1 and this is -1. The oxidation state of oxygen in peroxide is going to be -1, student, right? So here if you are considered to be X plus 2 oxygen, each oxygen -1 is equal to 0. So we are supposed to calculate the, calcium we are calculating. So x is equal to, it is going to be this is a -2 equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 2. But in the question I did here, they are asking the oxygen, the underlined element is oxygen. So that is very simple. CaO2 here is, so you consider to be X, 2 oxygen, so 2. Put calcium belongs to group number 2 and group number 2 oxidation state is plus 2 equal to 0. So here what will be there, student? If you send 2x, this will go minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by 2. So x is equal to going to be minus 1. So oxygen is minus 1. Here also we considered here what we consider minus 1 only. So this is correct one. Now the next one we are having NaBH4 student and boron we required. So here is NaBH4 and they are asking for the boron. So this very simple, student. You can consider this is X. Sodium belongs to group number 1, so plus 1. And hydrogen with the metal, it is what is there, student? Minus 1. Boron is metal. Multiply by 4 equal to 0. So plus 1 plus X minus 4 equal to 0. So X is equal to plus 4 minus 1. So X is equal to going to be plus 3. So it's very simple, student. Boron is plus 3. So here we are mentioning that is plus 3. Now H2S2O8 we are having H2S2O8. Let us solve, student. Sulfur they are asking. They have mentioned H2S2O8, not 8, actually 7. H2S2O7, this is 7. So what we have to calculate, this is sulfur, this is going to be X. 2 sulfur are there, so 2X. Hydrogen is plus 1 with not metal. Multiply by 2, since 2 hydrogen are there, plus 7. Each oxygen minus 2 equal to 0. So plus 2 plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, this will go plus 14 minus 2. So 2x is equal to how much it is going to be, student? Plus 12. So x is equal to plus 12 by 2. So x is equal to, this is plus 6. So sulfur is plus 6. This is the group oxidation state of the sulfur. So this is absolutely correct. Next one we are having KAl. So now we are having that is K. Here is the Al SO4 whole twice dot 12 H2O. So how can you solve here? They are asking for the sulfur, student. This is the X. Aluminum is here is, everything here is the 2 times is there. So that also you need to keep in mind if you are considering sulfur. So here multiply by 2, so you need to consider 2x. Aluminum is plus 3. Potassium is plus 1. This side you go, oxygen how many are there? Minus 2. And multiply by how much, student? That is 4 to the 8. Now here is the water is neutral molecule, so it is 0 oxidation number. You can mention here 0 equal to 0. Now 0 multiply by 12 equal to 0. Why, student? Why we the H2O is you 2H H2 is there na, so plus 2, oxygen is minus 2, this is going to be 0, so we are considering 0, and 12 are there, so multiplied. So here is plus 1 plus 3 plus 2x minus 16 equal to 0. So plus 4 plus 2x minus 16 equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 16 minus 4. 2x is equal to plus 12. Plus 12. So x is equal to plus 12 by 2. So x is equal to plus 6. So this is our going to be required answer, student. So this is all about the answer. Thank you very much for watching, students.